Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to download Khan Academy app in your Android phone. Khan Academy app is an educational app that includes thousands of educational videos covering math, science, art history and other subjects. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Play Store, here I go. At the top, you can see that search bar. Type there Khan Academy. You can see that Khan Academy app has been appeared. Now tap on install. Wait for a few seconds. It is in the process to be downloaded. After it is downloaded, you can easily open this app and use it. In this way, you can easily install this app in your Android phone. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.